We'll guide you through how to fix email notifications not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can get super annoying as it means you don't know when an email arrives and you can't go and reply quickly and things like that. So we've got a couple of different things you can try to fix this. Come out of the Mail app and open up your settings. Scroll down and find notifications and click there. Then what you need to do is scroll down until you can go and find the option for Mail just here and click on it. First of all, make sure you go and click Allow Notifications. You can then go and customize the alerts here, and you want to come down and click on Customize Notifications. You need to go through each account and make sure alerts are switched on, like so. That's super key. Now go and see if when you get an email, you're now notified. Hopefully you are. If you still aren't, it could be because you have a setting called Do Not Disturb turned on, and this silences notifications. So you can drag down from the top right of your iPhone, and where it says Focus, if Do Not Disturb's on, you'll go and see it there. So you can click on it to go and turn it off, and hopefully that solves it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.